What's up, guys? Yes, today we are doing the first mod on the 4Runner, and I'm very excited for it. It's gonna be a short and sweet one, but let's get started. So what we're doing is we're gonna black out the emblems on the 4Runner. I hated the chrome. I don't know why they continue to put chrome on cars like this, but yeah, it has to go. So you can get the emblems from the dealership, and I actually looked into it, and it's like $270, and I thought that was super ridiculous to pay for just to black out your emblems. And I'm not gonna plastic dip them. We already know that. And when you go the other aftermarket route, there's prices all over the board for overlays. So these ones I got from Amazon, and just from looking at them initially, I think it's gonna be good. Check it out. So here's the box. Let's see if we can What I really like about this so far is that, like this, everything is individually packaged. You got everything you need right here. You got 2 emblems, 2 Toyota emblems, and mine is of course the TRD off-road, so that's the one I went with. And on Amazon, with the seller I went with, you can pick whichever one you have, whether it's a limited or pro, whatever. And yeah, I'll post a link if you guys, if it looks good, you want to give it a shot. I think it was like 50 bucks, so like 5 times less than what you pay at the dealership. So even if it's not quite what it is, it'll still be worth it. But just looking at it, I got this one opened up. It seems to be cut pretty good. I've seen some other ones like from eBay, and they got a lot of like excess, and it's not cut straight, but this looks pretty good. And you got your adhesive on the back, and it's got nice pull tabs, so you can pull it off real quick. But yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is use isopropyl alcohol and a rag, and I'm just going to clean the face of it. Right, you want to get anywhere where the adhesive is going to stick to. This stuff dries pretty quick too. Now, just a quick note, this car's been sitting in here for a couple hours now, and it's not too cold right here in Arizona, so we should be good. You don't want it to be too cold when you put it on. So, and then of course with this kit too, it comes with 2 different Toyota logos. One's a little bit bigger, and so the bigger one is the one that goes in the front, the other one's going to go in the back. Let's see how they fit. I'll peel the backing off. Alright, I'm just going to line it up. So far it's fitting pretty good. I'm going to push in on it. Go around the edge. The plastic seems pretty sturdy, so I don't think I'm going to crack it or anything. You have to probably push really hard on it. And just kind of hold it there for a few seconds so that adhesive can really bond to it. I can't tell the difference between that and the factory blackout ones at all. It's pretty sweet, huh? This is gonna go so fast. I guess let's just work our way to the back. We'll do the TRD off-road on the sides.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's realizing these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. watching all this time slip by. Now I realize, you know I've been waiting. 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 You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation.
Well, that was quick. It probably took me about 15 minutes, like from start to finish, from front to back. And it already looks so much better. I'm super excited. Don't that look better than the silver? And then the chrome in the back. The only downside to it, I think, is that you lose like a little bit of detail in it. But even if you like plastic dipped it, it's probably still have the same effect. I am so glad I did that for my first mod on the 4Runner. It looks so much better. But please let me know in the comments what you think I should do next. I got a lot of plans and I'm just ready to get started on this new truck. So please let me know. Hit that like button for me. You know it really helps a lot. And I'll catch you next time. Later. Because I do what I do. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to prove. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to